Hello everyone, today in this video we will know how to calculate the bar bending schedule of a circular slab. So here you can see the circular slab dia is given as 3000 mm, which is 3 meters, and the depth here we are providing is the 200 mm. So let us consider, firstly we are taking the mean bar as this position, which is length L. So we are finding this length, we have to find only first you consider this length L we are providing in a circular slab. So that we will discuss how many numbers of L's we have to provide again बोल के we will do calculation. So consider this L firstly. So to calculate this length L, the formula is that dia of the circular slab minus concrete cover we are providing at both ends. So generally we provide clear cover for slab is 20 mm or 25 mm. Now in this case I am assuming 25 mm slab cover we are providing बोल के. So this 3000 minus 25 minus 25. If we do, we will get 2950 mm. So the length of this main bar will be 2950 mm, which is 2.95 meters. So now we have to calculate radius of slab. As we know the diameter of the slab, circular slab. So now we can find easily the radius of the slab. So here you can see this dia of the circular slab minus 25 at this side and this 25 at this side divided by 2 we have to calculate. So that we will get the radius of the slab will be 1475 mm or 1.475 meters. So this is the radius. Now we have to calculate how many number of main bars we have to provide बोल के. Main bars or distribution bars also. How many number of L's we have to calculate बोल के. So here you can see the formula is radius divided by 2 spacing. So nothing but diameter of circular slab, which is 3000 mm, minus 25 and minus 25 divided by 2. Here you can see divided by 2. So divided by 2 by spacing. So which is 1475 divided by 200. If you do, we will get 7.375. So that we will provide 7 numbers. As we are considering L is 1 number, so that 7 bole to we have to divide equally at upper side and also in the second half. So we are providing 3 in first half and another 3 in second half. So you can see how we are providing. This is L and this is L1, L2, L3. In the same way we are providing L1, L2, L3, and the distance we have said in the above is 200 mm spacing we are providing. So that from L to L1 the spacing is 200, from L to L2, from L to L2, so it is 400 mm, and again L to L3 it is 600 mm. In the same way in the second half also. So now we will calculate how to find the consecutive bar length, which is we have to calculate this L1, L2, L3 lengths also. So the formula we have to use is under root of r square minus h square into 2. So here L is nothing but length of the reinforcement and r is the radius of the slab and h is the distance between the reinforcement बोल के. So first, as we know here we already got the length is 2.95 meters. So that now we have to calculate the L1. So under root of r square minus h1 square into 2 we have to do. So r is nothing but radius, which is 1475 mm. So here this 1475 mm whole square minus h1, here you can see the distance is 200 mm. So minus 200 whole square into 2 if you do, we will get the L1 value is 2066.7 mm, which is 2.06 meters. In the same way we have to calculate for L2. So here r value we know, which is 1475 mm, and h2 is nothing but from here to here how much it is बोल के. This 200 plus 200, which is 400 mm. So minus 400 mm whole square into 2 we have to do. So L2 equals to 2007.8 mm, which is 2.01 meters we will get. In the same way we have to calculate for L3 also. So r value we know 1475 mm whole square minus here from here to here the distance is 200 plus 200 plus 200, which is 600 mm. So minus 600 whole square into 2 we have to do. So that we will get the length is that 1905.58 mm, which is 1.905 meters. So that we will put all these values in a tabular form so as to calculate the total weight of the steel required for these dimensions of a slab बोल के. So now we will take for main bar के लिए we will do the length L. For main bar we are using 12 mm, and for distribution bars we will use 10 mm bars. So the length L, it is 12 mm, length L, L1, L2, L3. So how many number of L's are there? Here the main bar is only 1, L, so 1, and L1 is 2 times it is there. So here you can see L1 at upper side and also in the downer side, in second half also. In the same way for L2 also 2 numbers were there, L3 also 3 numbers were there. So here the numbers will be 2, 2, 2. In the same way L we got 2.95 meters. Here you can see the length, cutting length. Okay, and L1 also we got 2.06 meters, and L2 we got 2.01, and L3 we got 1.90 meters. So we are considering 12 mm, so that by using formula d square by 162.2 we will get in substituting 12 mm as a d, we will get 0.89 kg per meter bolke. So that now we have to do 2.95 into 0.89. If you do 2.62 kgs is required bolke, we will get the after calculating. In the same way we have to calculate 2.06 into 2 into 0.89, we will get 3.66. In the same way we have to calculate for these values also, so that we will get here. And again we are providing distribution bars. Here you can see how we provide distribution bars bolke in this way. Here L is 1 time, and L1, L2, L3. In the same way here also we will provide L1, L2, L3. So that how many L's will be there? Only one L, which is of 10 mm, and L1 is 2 times this side and that side, and L2 also this side and that side, L3 also this side and that side. So 2, 2, 2. So as we know again, the above we got L1, L2, L3 values are these only, so that we are keeping these values over here. And when we substitute 10 in the place of d square, d square by 162.2, we will get 0.616 kg per meter. So now we will do 2.95 meter into 1 into 0.616, we will get 1.81 kgs. So in the same way 2 into 2.06 into 0.616, if we do, we will get 2.53 kgs is required. In the same way for L2 also 2 into 2.01 into 0.616, if we do, we will get 2.47 kgs. In the same way if we do for L3, 2 into 1.90 into 0.616, if we do, we will get 2.34 kgs. After addition of all these weights, we will get 22.38 kgs of steel is required for these dimensions of a circular slab. So you can please go through this, how we have provided the reinforcement detailing for a circular slab bulk. So here also the distribution bars will be provided as we calculated over here. For your easy understanding, I did not provide it here as you get confused bulk. So please go through the and if you have any doubts, please do comment, and also if you like, please share this video to your friends and civil related friends. So please, thank you all.